As I speak now, Senseonics Inc. is up about 49.27%. About 150.7 million shares have crossed the tape during the session of the 4th of June 2021. The news there is that it reported positive tests for its glucose monitoring system. The company is focused on developing and commercializing long-term implantable continuous glucose monitoring systems, or CGMs, for patients with diabetes. It is novel in that it can be planted and then provide data for up to 6 months. I think it has also partnered with SENS or something like that. Today's big move comes after the firm said study results for both primary and secondary glucose sensor, or SPF sensor, showed promising preliminary results. The study sought to evaluate Senseonics Eversense CGM system in patients with diabetes, testing them over 180 days. And I think there's also a case where it's indicating that it has a partnership with Essentia. Yes, according to the company's latest conference call, Essentia has relaunched Eversense in the US recently and hired several dozen marketing employees to get product sales rolling there. So earlier this week, okay, so yes, this is it has a partnership with small medical device maker Essentia Diabetes Care. I think so that company is making its products more available in the US. So that's what is behind this extension we are looking at right now on Senseonics. 49.27%. We'll get a more detailed, a more accurate figure for that. And before now, the stock, I believe, was consolidating. But we will see what's going on. So in any case, yes, it says it appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. Shares are presently above the 200-day moving average, which is rising along with the 10-day moving average. So, but that was before this extension, and it is indeed performing the outperforming the S&P 500. It was also a stock that was quite popular with the GME, the GameStop crowd, and all that stuff. So momentum so far is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares, and I believe the volume at the moment has increased. So you can see what's going on here. So it has lost some value now. It's now down to 47.69% extension. Based on the 1 minute live model, you can see it's trading in between its 10-day and a 20-day moving average, but currently now slightly retracing. So let's have a better look at the daily model and see what's going on, what happened there. You can see based on that daily model, the stock has now escaped, and it's now trading above its volume weighted average price. So the signals are very much positive, very much positive. So that's, yeah, currently momentum is very strong. The short-term trend lines and the intermediate trend line, which is the intermediate moving average, the 50-day, is also bullish. I believe bullish, just like the shorter-term trend lines. So this is what a daily model is indicating. So it's currently trading at $3 or thereabouts. So if we return to the daily model, you can see it has also retraced a lot again. Not a lot, but by some measure again. So going up, you can see, yes, at some point the stock was gradually extending. Let's bring this up to let's bring it up to the 4th of June. So outside that, the stock was gradually extending. I don't believe this extension we are looking at right here only happened today. Let's see if we can find out if it's all that happened today. I believe yes, it is pretty much all that happened today. But in any case, though, it started to extend. From the 13th of May, it reached $2 point $2.15 and retraced down to 1.87, and now started to extend again. So a lot of market participants, indeed, they know what happens whenever you are dealing with a meditech, a medtech, biotech, pharmatech stock. Whenever you see them trading below those trend moving averages, there's a good chance anytime soon there's going to be some extension, and that is what has happened. So this is not the first extension. This is actually the third extension since that time. So you can see that first wave brought it up to $2.14. It retraced, and then it brought it up to 2.12. That was at the first of this month, 1st of June, and retraced slightly, and then we now have this 50% we're looking at right now. So easily, the fundamentals are very much okay for SENS. And if you really want to get involved with it, it has run up a huge gain of 44.68%. It's a one of such stocks. I'm having a feeling that this extension may not be sustained. At some point, it may also retrace. It may also pull back a bit. So the opportunity has left. The opportunity to buy the stock has since left. We can have a look at it again on the daily model. The opportunity was when it was trading at such levels. So this was at sometime sometime in May. Yes, you can see that sometime in May, after May 24th. That opportunity has since gone. I believe this stock will also do like it has been doing, pull back a bit again, and this is what it's currently reporting right now is just tests and all that stuff. I believe that is what it's saying there. It's saying that it's promising. It's what it's saying, promising. Okay, yes, it says positive test results. So I believe better things are yet to come, and market participants know that that they're not going to remain there. They're still going to take their money off. This is our opinion. I believe they're going to take their money off the table concerning the stock and get back into it once there's another positive news going forward as regards that. As regards anything, indeed it does and other stuff, but just like a lot of biotech related stocks, a lot of there's a lot of development. Most of them are still in development phases, developing something, pursuing. They're doing a lot of research, a lot of projects on their hands. So some of them indeed make money and all that, but they have a lot of projects, and that's why when an outcome comes up, the stock extends, and then market participants take their money off. So it's a cycle. So if you are not already involved, I would not urge you to get involved. Just see if it will retrace again and trade below those, at least the shorts and the intermediate moving averages, and see whether you will get involved. But for now, I don't think it is a buy. I think it has the opportunity has long gone. So thank you very much for watching this video.